Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you my project for the Monday collab that I'm doing with my friend Deb, who is Deb House Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. I'll leave a link down below in the description box to her channel so you can check out what she's doing. My apologies for being and missing in action last week. I have a cold and the cough is just hanging on. Excuse me. And I just couldn't stop coughing long enough to record a video, so I just skipped last week. So this month for August we're using punches, and I pulled out two border punches. This one is Stars from Stampin' Up. It's an older border punch, and then another border punch. This one is from Martha Stewart. This one is very old. I don't know if there's a date on here or not. I don't think so. I've had it in my stash for a long time, and I'm sure when I purchased it, probably at a Tuesday morning, it was already older at that time. And then I'm not sure what company this one, oh, Fiskars, is a little tree punch. And again, I probably got this at Tuesday morning or someplace, Hobby Lobby, maybe on clearance. Had it for a long time. Anyway, I saw this cute little box on YouTube recently, and I'll leave a link down below to that person's channel because I forgot to write down who they were and what their channel name is. But supposedly this box holds 5 Dove chocolates, which I do not have on hand. But I thought it was a cute little box, and so I made it out of Night of Navy cardstock, and then I cut a separate layer for the top and used the star border punch, and then I put some yellow shimmer paper behind that and then glued it to the top of the box. Then I used the Martha Stewart little fence border punch on gray cardstock and the Fiskars tree on black cardstock. And then I went in my Halloween drawer and found some little table scatter or sequins, whatever you want to call them. So I've got 2 ghosts there and 3 pumpkins, and then a kind of an iridescent black cat. And those are just attached with leftover tiny glue dots from a paper pumpkin kit. The rest of the cardstock pieces were able to be glued down, but the sequins were attached with little glue dots. So anyway, there is my simple project using 3 different punches and then a box tutorial that I found on YouTube. So anyway, I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.